traffic jams, stranded commuters, and crowded evacuation centers. Metro Manila is no stranger to these scenarios during heavy rains. Residents seemingly resigned to their fate even say flooding gets worse by the year. Some experts blame this on overpopulation and poor waste management.
Kadalasan ho ng basura, ma'am, matatagpuan natin sa mga esteros. At yung mga esteros ho natin, ma'am, may mga informal settlers po sa paligid.
In Manila, it's a never-ending task to clear manholes and drainage systems of mud from piled-up garbage. The capital has the most number of flood-prone areas in Metro Manila.
Linisin na natin habang pwede pa natin gawin. Kasi wala na, tagulan na eh. It has to be done during the summertime.
Dry season.
Dry season. Talagang, ngayon, gagawin na best effort.
In Quezon City, officials invest millions on preparedness and response. Among them, high-tech equipment to warn residents against possible flooding in low areas.
Mahirap pa yung hintayin mo pang worst case scenario, di ba? It would always be dangerous both for the victims and the responders also.
Quezon City's long-term solutions include building stronger walls to replace ripraps along waterways. Another perennial project, clearing waterways of informal dwellings and garbage. Officials say they're also replacing old drainage systems.
Yung mga maliliit na tubo, pinalalaki na nila.
Authorities admit they can only do so much to prevent flooding during the rainy season. They say the public should understand that most cities in the National Capital Region are below sea level, making it impossible to prevent flooding completely. AC Nichols, CNN Philippines.